Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into the identical Microsoft account on both the Xbox 360 and the Xbox app so profiles match. Once done, update the Xbox 360 system software and confirm Xbox Live or local network access is active. This ensures compatibility. Make sure your Xbox 360 is wired or on the same Wi-Fi as the device running the app, because matching network discovery is essential for pairing. Now move to app-side connection steps. Open the Xbox app and navigate to Settings, then Consoles or Devices to add a console. You need the 8-digit code shown on the Xbox 360 to verify. Once you enter the code, the app and console pair and exchange settings so streaming and remote features can activate. Make sure to enable streaming, allow remote connections, and select the Xbox 360 as your target device in the app. Test the local connection to confirm input and video flow before proceeding to play. Begin a streaming session from the Xbox app by choosing your paired Xbox 360 and pressing play. Adjust bitrate and resolution settings in the app if video stutters so you balance quality versus latency. If you see lag, switch to wired Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi to improve throughput and reduce packet loss. If the console doesn't appear, restart both devices, confirm network settings, and re-enter the 8-digit pairing code. This often clears discovery or authentication issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.